Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am at Dollar General again, and I wanted to show you guys real quick. They have chalk paint here. Oh wait, am I in the wrong? Nope, I'm not. They actually have chalk paint here. So for those of you that are looking, these are all of the colors that they have, because they don't have pink or yellow and orange, but they have these colors. And look, they have chalk paint in black and in ivory. And then they got these big bottles. They're like $5. My God. I want it. It's going to be in order for me to get all this, it's going to cost me $25 for all of them. But I'm not going to get it. I just got these two. I got the black and I got the ivory. These are the two that I got for $3 each. Could you believe that? $3 each for that. That's crazy. And they got some other stuff here too. There's some stuff that are out of sale. I have enough paintbrushes, so I don't have to worry about that. But if I wanted, I could grab me one of these. But maybe next time. And they got glues. They got wood. They got everything. They even have these boards too for your science projects. And you see this? This is the kind of shelf that I want to get for my, probably for my wrapping paper or something, but I think it's only good for boards. But just so that you guys can see, and they even got small paints. Look at these. These actually these are small paints. So if I wanted to, they're $1 each. But maybe next time I'll probably get these. If it's not washable, I'll probably get some of these. But these are kids' paint. And you have a whole bunch up here for $1. And they even got this. And a bunch of crayons and some other stuff they got in here. For the school supplies, the glues. And some other stuff. I think I'm going to have to buy me a new broom. Yep. I think I'm going to have to buy me a new broom or something. And they got some on this side too. Some wrapping paper. All kinds of stuff. On the shelves, bubble wrap, or whatever you guys want to wrap your stuff in, which I don't need it because I'm moving across, remember? Yeah, I'm coming. Dollar General, guys. This is Dollar General. I won't be able to do a 15-minute video on this one because it's pretty long. But all of the birthday stuff and things. And I mean, they got a lot of stuff. Over here on this side, books and whatnot. Oh yeah, and the one that I wanted to get, that I'm probably going to get next time for my paints, is this right here. For my big paints. But these are $5, so I'm going to probably get it next month. Both of them. If they're still here. In hopes to getting it. Oh, I like that sign. Oh, I like that sign. For my kitchen. How much is that? It doesn't even say. $5.
Good food,
good food, good friends, and good times. I like that for my kitchen. They had a lot of good stuff here.
The new apartment.
Well, yeah, we could get it now to put it over there.
I'll go crazy on credit card. Losing my money now.
Magnet decor. Clean. It says clean only on it. These sponges. Yeah, that's that thing. I mean, I don't see it now. But yeah, they got a lot of decor coming out. Flowers. Yeah, I saw that. It's a bowl, something. Somewhat. And hello, baskets, spray bottles, a lot of jars, Tupperware. I'm definitely gonna come back to this store to shop. Yeah, go ahead and go to the line. I'll be there in a minute. They still got Valentine's stuff out. Trying to kill some time right now. Yeah, I know. So they still got a lot of Valentine's stuff out, guys. Look at that. Huh? All that candy. Look at all that candy. Plates and candies and stickers. I still don't see my mats. I don't see my mats, dude. All I see is a lot of Valentine stuff, but no mats. All I see is cups and decorations and stuffed animals, but no mats. Blankets. And they got more crackers here, and they got some more Valentine stuff over here. So, yep. Oh my God, cheese balls. Look at that. Mostly candies and whatnot. Candles. They probably smell good. Strawberry smells good, or cherries, or blueberries with red berries. That one smells good too. See this green one? That one smells like jasmine. I like the green one. How much is the green one? $5. Look at that. $5 for the green one. Smells really good. That smells delicious. We got some flowers. There's some more decorations. Bunch of toys. This is a lot of toys, guys. A lot of toys, a lot of toys for the kiddos. A lot of toys for the kiddos. A lot of toys for the kiddos, because I know my granddaughter will be going crazy for some toys. I don't see anything new. I couldn't find my mats. So, no Valentine mats. No Valentine mats, guys. Shampoo, conditioners, anything new over here? Dumbass. I'm gonna have to come back here and get me some oil. Some oil. Oh, they got castor oil here. For $1. Ooh. I'm gonna grab one of these because I need that. Well, without further ado, guys, I'll see you guys on my next channel later.